For sure, and a good movie watching weather today.
Yes, it was.
And then, I was working on my dramatic pause here with the tease of the word snow.
Snow, yeah.
Not a big deal, but we still have to talk about a little winter weather in the
forecast. Just
wanted
to reel them in.
Yeah, I wanted to reel the viewers in going, what? Did he just say snow? It's March. We had 80 degrees yesterday. Look at the temperatures across the lower 48 states. We've been talking about this. I talked about this 2 or 3 weeks ago, saying we're going to have one more real big push of winter because of just how the global, the northern hemisphere pattern was setting up, and there was going to be a lot of cold air being dislodged from northern Canada, and it has been dislodged, and we're going to have this air mass staying up here with a active weather pattern to kind of bring shots of some colder air. We'll eventually get rid of that colder air, but it's going to take a couple more weeks for it to really modify, and then we'll start to turn our attention on spring weather and warmer weather, and we'll see more of those 70s and 80s that we got to enjoy yesterday. 43 degrees, a north wind, some high-level clouds out there. It is quiet for right now, but some high-level clouds trying to filter in from the west, and those clouds will thicken up here overnight. And with a light wind, temperatures have down into the middle 30s in some locations, but with the increasing cloud cover, those temperatures will kind of settle here into the upper 20s to low 30s to some middle to upper 30s. So we'll go around 31, 32 here across the metro with a light northeast wind. And as we head towards late tonight, here comes a little ripple of jet stream energy. There is several here embedded, and then here's our bigger one that'll bring us a slight warm up, a brief warm up for middle of the week, and then our round of showers and thunderstorms. But before then, we have to deal with, yes, like I said, a little bit of snow. But again, not a big deal. This shows flurries, okay? Couples, light rain showers mixed in because temperatures will be right at freezing. Marty Logan will be out there watching it. They're in Woodward with Lacey and Jed in the morning. No travel complications expected, but there might be a little bit of whiteness falling from the sky. Otherwise, just some showers around. This model says snow hangs on by noon. Other than a couple snowflakes mixed in with the rain, very light precipitation. This will mainly be rain as it moves in across central and southwest Oklahoma. That weather system moves out. Some data is not locked in with this next wave that comes in Monday night into Tuesday. This model that I'm showing is a little bit stronger than most of it, but it just shows you pieces of energy that could squeeze out with our clouds around, some light rain showers for the most part. And again, first thing in the morning, western Oklahoma, maybe a rain-snow mix as this moves off towards the east. Rainfall amounts look very light, or precipitation amounts, and again, no travel headaches with the winter precipitation, but it's going to be cold with all the clouds around and moisture and maybe a light shower. Temperatures into the 40s. So a little bit of light snow flurries mixed in with a little bit of rain, and then at weekends it moves off to the south and east, and that'll be the best chance of some light rain showers. We'll go 20% here across the metro, a little bit higher southwest. Same thing on Tuesday. Another weather system comes in, some rain snow mix, very light, enough to wet the ground, and then weekends as it heads off towards the south and east. Rainfall amounts, 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch in most areas. Most areas might not see much at all other than a couple sprinkles because, again, these are weakening weather systems as they come in from the west. Temperatures tomorrow into the 40s. We stay chilly on Tuesday. A lot of areas could be stuck in the 40s if that weather system comes in. And then that another weather system that comes in on Thursday that'll bring us some showers and thunderstorms, especially central and eastern half of the state. So cold Arctic air sticks around, brief warm-up Wednesday and Thursday. How about that? 60s and 70s, chance of rain, and then down into the 40s with lows in the low to mid-20s possible. So Arctic air as we head towards late next week into the following weekend.